Station dito sa sa California, sa Northern California. So just to give you a brief background about this Riemann was introduced to me January 2 of this year. Naghahanap talaga ako ng like skincare that will tapos sabi nila Korean, so I just like try the product. On an instant talaga makita ko yung glow. Like ngayon wala akong makeup. It's just a skincare. Um, ano lang, lipstick. Lipstick. Tapos it gives you that natural glow, yung glass skin kasi yung Korean na so they're known for that. Tapos ang dami ko ng as we age naman talaga collagen depletes, right? Tapos sabi ko, I'll try lang. Tapos nung instant talaga nagustuhan ko yung product. Kasi makita mo talaga, ma-feel mo talaga and all that, yung glow, lalo na yung glow. Tapos ang una ding nakakaano sa akin is sinabi ko kay Leia kanina, that it's the nanoliposomal technology. Kasi I myself I use liposomal vitamins. I don't use usual vitamins. It just means that kung yung vitamins naka-encapsulate siya. So ibig sabihin, yung natural ingredients ng vitamins naka-encapsulate. So when it comes to like acid ng tiyan, first pass, at saka liver, it doesn't get detoxify. So ibig sabihin, pag dating ng small intestine, yung 1,000 milligram mo na vitamin C, at least you can get 900. Pero 'pag usual vitamins kasi, tapos, low quality pa, pagdating niyan baka ang nakarating sa katawan mo is less than 500 milligrams. So, you're just wasting your money or even wasting the whole Tapos nung sinabi ito nanoliposomal, ibig sabihin, it's encapsulated that yung active ingredients will go beyond the layer of the skin. Most of the skincare products now in the market is just on the surface. Hindi siya like from the hypodermis up. So, kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Tapos shinare ko na lang sa mga kasamahan ko and it just spread like crazy kahit saang tapos ngayon magbubukas na sa Pilipinas, 3 countries pa lang, Canada, tapos sa Hong Kong and Taiwan. Magbubukas pa lang sa 80 countries. And Filipinos are all over the world. In every opportunity, if you're familiar with networking, is actually 'pag ikaw yung nauna, lalo na sa Pilipinas, you have the advantage. Kasi nga, 'di ba, ikaw yung nauna, kumbaga yung advantage mo at saka timing. Kasi nga, skincare na rin yung in ngayon lalo na ang Korean dahil sa BTS, sa Netflix, nakikita yan, Blackpink and all that. Matagal na yan, tradition na yan sa Korea, pero in a way, ngayon lang naha-highlight dahil sa Netflix. So, this company actually was established in 2018 sa Korea. So, bago lang, even before the pandemic. Tapos, how do I forward this, babes? It's not showing. Technicality, sorry. Okay. So, established in Korea, 2018. Tapos, if you're familiar with sales, it's actually 2.5 billion in revenue. Imagine for the first 3 years. If you're that's big kasi nga ang Korea is only naging number 1 siya K-beauty brand in a matter of like 3 years when it started in Korea. Tapos to think Korean market is what? Are you able to see my screen? Yung nandun yung
Yes, Joy. Yes,
okay.
Joy, we can.
It's okay. Na-share daw. Okay. Thank you. So 2.5 billion in revenue, tapos nagiging number 1 K-beauty brand siya in a matter of 3 years. 35 million bottles sold in Korea in a matter of like 3 years. And Korea is only 50 million. So that says a lot. Tapos Korea, merong LG and Amore Pacific, 2 big companies that dominated their skincare for the last 40 years, natapos ng Riemann yan in just 3 years. Then that's why it was so successful that they actually venture in America, magto 2 years pa lang dito. So 1 year plus lang. On the top right, nandyan yung Riemann Village actually in Irvine, California. So, nasa Irvine, California yan. We've been there with the convention. Ka-open lang yan a year ago. Tapos, the Riemann Village is on the farther lower left sinabi ko yun kanina, in Korea, meron talaga silang Reman Village where the owner built it for the distributor to visit, lalo na yung mga top. So, meron silang in-offer the first 50 team leader in the Philippines will go to Korea 5 days na accommodation, 5-star yan, all inclusive. So you have that leverage. Naging team leader kami in 19 days. So kasi nga maganda yung product, it just, like they just try it and it just exploded like crazy. Tapos, eto yung convention namin last time sa LA, dito sa baba. It's not moving forward, Edwin. So, launch ng Taiwan was just last year. Hong Kong was just this year. So, this coming second quarter will be the Philippines. Officially open sa Philippines. Mostly, ang office siguro natin will be in BJC. Pero at least kung open na sa Pilipinas, it will be easier for you guys kasi baka free na yung shipping or lesser na. Ngayon kasi it's Hong Kong. Hong Kong is free trade. So, ibig sabihin, you can register to the Hong Kong account as a customer, then you can just buy through there, tapos ipapadala lang sa Philippines. Tapos pag nag-open na yung Philippines, you can still order under your Hong Kong account, pero at least diretso na sa Pilipinas. Para lang mauna ka. Kasi kung antayin mo pang mag-open ng Pilipinas by April, mahuhuli ka na. In a way, kumbaga, more or less, ang Pilipino mabilis eh. Kumbaga, social media lang and all, na touchdown na nila. It's not just our group, meron ding ibang group na under din ni Steve. So, that's why unahan. So, the better you can, like, disseminate mo among your friends, it's the better. Tapos, we have 23 awards since 2002 in Korea and internationally. So, sinabi ko kanina kay Leia that I was in Jeju Island, yung nandun ang Reman Village, because I became a director in 7 months. So, I'm the 5th director in the US na Filipino. So, hindi ko yan inakala. Dalawang nurses na nauna sa akin nag-retire na as a nurse last month. They just been into the company for like what, less than a year. Nag-devote lang talaga sila. So, like nakita mo yung potential kasi maganda yung product. Tapos it's gonna open in 80 countries. Pero mga nurses na yan sila ha. Tapos nag-quit na sa job nila as a nurse. Tapos nag-full-time na dito sa Reman. Yeah. And our products, tatlo lang yan. So, merong Insulderm na pinaka-bestseller for the face. Botalab is for the body care. So, it's good for like, tapos lightening yung sa inner body care. Hindi to ang bago yung sa collagen kasi may glutathione na ang collagen natin ngayon. Isa slide lang naman. But on the website will be the collagen ampule na iinumin mo with the glutathione. Tapos, pakita ko lang tong company video.
Here in the Inselderm Byungpoo lab, we work with elements provided by nature. Among the many gifts of nature, capacity to purify. That capacity is enriched in the plant Centella asiatica, also known as Byungpoo in Korean. The size of the leaf, the direction of the root, soil temperature, and cultivation method. Every aspect is analyzed. The plants are grown for 45 days until they brim with loose energy. Only freshly harvested Korean Byungpoo plants are used as ingredients for Inselter. Another key ingredient is the pristine lava seawater from Jeju Island. For over 400,000 years, the volcanic rock beds of Jeju have borne the ocean's energy, instilled into its deep waters. That water is infused at the optimal temperature of 80 degrees Celsius for 20 hours to slowly and gently extract the essential fluids from the Byungpul leaves. Those fluids are at the core of the brightening and purifying energy delivered by Inselter. Present to you, Byungpul Energy Fluid. Our hypoallergenic fluid boosts the skin cell regeneration cycle by providing optimal benefits with the Booster Serum Booster Ritual. The booster opens the way for moisture to enter and awaken the skin's radiance. Then, the serum aligns the skin barrier to enhance the glow. And the final layer of booster ingrains glow and resilience deep into your skin. With this routine, your skin will gain the glow lifting effects. Radiate the glow of youth from deep inside your skin cells with Inselter.
Okay. So yun yung company Bird's Eye View ng product, yung sa face. So ang main ingredients niya is yung Byungpol plants, tinatawag namin yung natural botox kasi pag naggamit mo to, siguro sa second day, babanatin yung mukha mo talaga. You feel like, yun ang na-feel ko, like after, kahit the next day, hinihila. So I was trying to like pull kasi nga it's pulling effect, parang nagta-tightened. Then, Byungpul plants are actually matagal na yan sa Korea. Like they use it for all their skincare product. But one thing with our Riemann company is they grow their own Byungpul. So I went to the farm. Like it's all organic, plant-based, So nandun, and they grow it like 4 times bigger than the regular. Oo. So, kaya merong special patent siya ng Riemann. Then the other thing is yung Jeju Lava Water. We went there to the Jeju Island, yun yung Hawaii ng South Korea. It's the uncontaminated water ng Jeju Lava Water. Like, kasi lahat ng diluent ng product sa skincare, 60% yan actually is all diluent fluid. Kadalasan ang nasa market is they just use distilled water. Our product uses the Jeju lava water that has all the minerals that's in the volcano under sa Jeju lava water. So we were there. Nakita namin kung paano pinrocess and all that. Only Riemann actually has a sole contract with the Korean government. Korean government, it's not easy to get that contract for 20 years to use their Jeju lava water. There's only 4 places in the world that you can get all this mineral dense water. Hawaii, Spain, at saka Korea nga, at saka meron din sa Japan. But they're all contaminated. Sa Korea lang yung hindi kasi they're good in preservation of the environment. So kaya naging contract ng government ang Riemann. Then after that also i-ano natin dito. So giant Byungpul, it has anti-inflammatory kasi nga yung mga tigers those days sa Jeju lava, they actually roll into these plants tapos nag-heal sila. So it's anti-inflammatory, meron siyang anti-wrinkle reduction, hyperpigmentation din, and it also skins anti-inflammation, mga inflammatory and brightening effect kasi ganun ang nagba-brighten. Tapos yung sinabi ko ng Jeju lava water, then I also mentioned about nanoliposomal technology, which yan talaga ang nakapag-in sa akin dito sa product. Apart from nakita ko yung glow right away when you test it, at saka yung softness, nakita ko yung nanoliposomal and I get it. Kasi nga, as I've said, I use liposomal vitamins. Tapos, eto na yung product. It comes in a set. Kasi sabihin nila, Joey, baka isa lang pwede ko dyan and all. Then we cannot really assure na maganda yung, if you really know Korean skincare and if you really know skincare, kahit sa Obagi pa yan or Lamir, talagang tiis ganda. Ibig sabihin, ngayon lang ako na-expose sa ganito kasi dati toner lang ako, cleanser at saka moisturizer. But now, I know that it has to be steps. Meron talagang steps. Ibig sabihin, ang dami naman ito. This is only 5 minutes actually. Kasi kaya lang matagal pag ini-explain pa namin. Kasi most of the time spray lang yan. And I've been sharing this. Alam mo, magugulat ka sa mga teenager, they're into Korean skincare. Sabihin pa sa akin, tita, don't you know that Korean actually use a fan? Just to, para daw yung product, mag-dry ka agad bago, kaysa antayin mo pang 1 minute, ilagay mo na yung next steps. So for us, lalo na dito, nanalo liposomal, you really want to make sure that it will go in. And there's technique to it. So once you have the product, then we can actually like give you the demo. Ate Doris is expert in that as well. So, yan. Tapos, meron niya siyang yung pull and all that. Yung nasa baba, yan yung tatlo lang. Medyo mahal yan ng konti, pero mas potent yan. Hindi lang masyado ang glow yan, pero mas potent ito. I use it actually for daytime and I use the top one, the basic one at night. Daytime, itong baba, I use it kasi meron siyang built-in collagen and it's actually more for mature skin. So, mas grabe yung tightening. Pero hindi masyado yung glow. Pag gusto mo yung natural glow na glass skin na sinasabi ng Korean, it's actually more of the top one. Yan yung basic. Tapos, I don't know if you're familiar with Korean stars. Kim Tae-hee is one of our model. Siya yung nasa Haibay Ma. I watch her. She's one of the famous Korean actress. If you can afford these people, like, para siyang, she's one of our endorser. At saka tatlo pa yan sila na mga, Then, these are some of the before and after. Wala siyang kulay. So, even though you're darker skin tone, it just gives you that natural glow, your own skin tone. Tapos, this is usually 2 to 4 weeks. Napansin ko yung mga fine line ko was 2 weeks. Lalo na dito sa crow's feet. Then, eto, parang ibang tao. He also used our Detox Plus, yung parang inner cleansing, detox. So, that's why he lose weight. So, ito naman Koreana na meet ko rin 'to sa Jeju, yung hyperpigmentation niya. Pero ginamit niya talaga twice a day for the first 2 months para makita yung results. After 3 months, yan, mga rosacea, yan. She's one of the top, na 'to, sa Canada 'to siya. She's, I think, going to senior directors. Tapos ito si Won Bin na model ng Insolder.
있었다. 3천만 명 경험으로 증명된 반드시 빛날 수 있답니다. 연플레이면서 플루이드가 어린 세포에 미치는 전하는 순간 어린 세포 발견, 링, 인셀던 이젠 당신 차례.
Okay. Tapos meron din silang body care. The body care is known for its all din siya, all plant-based. Tapos meron siyang mga patent ingredients, hyaluronic acid. Yung mga skincare natin, it's good for like yung mga eczema and they want natural products. Yun namang sa hair, it has research studies here. Nakita mo si, I'm not if you're familiar with Kim Tae-hee, she's one of my best actors sa Korean. I watch her shows on Netflix during pandemic. She's the model for the skin or for the hair. Actually, merong studies dyan na it actually hair growth. So a lot of issues with hair growth, yan, nakakatulong din siya. May mga studies sa Korea.
오파리 샴푸라기보다 차원이 다른 헤어 솔루션. 데저트 콜라의 생명력으로 두피부터 헤어 볼륨까지 단 한 번의 효과도 이렇게 다른데 한 달이면 얼마나 놀라울까. 김태희가 약속하는 4주의 변화. 당신도 경험해보세요. 데저트 콜라 뷰티의 시작.
Oh, it's in Korean language. So there's no translation in English there.
Wala ito. Kasi ito yung original na ng South Korea. Pero ini-explain na lang namin yung studies. Kasi yun yung advertisement dun sa Korea. Tapos, So, eto na yung Inner Beauty. So, yung bago dito ngayon, yung nakalagay dyan na Beauty Collagen Ampule, yung bago is actually, I have it here.
Huh? No, wait. Microphone.
It's like this. Parang ampule na inumin mo lang. Then, it's once a day or every other day kung ano. Tapos, pomegranate yung flavor. Ito may, ano na siya, marami siyang ingredients, all natural. Apart from collagen, may glutathione siya. So, it's one of the best, ano, na may biotin siya. Meron pa rin siyang vitamin C and all that. So, may zinc na rin. Tapos, yung deep talk is the inner cleansing yan. So, we know that, I don't know if you heard about gut psychology, that everything begins in the gut. Like, yung probiotics, the fiber, it has to be fed by prebiotics. So, kung you're not taking 20 to 30 grams of fiber per day, you're not actually feeding your good bacteria. So, everything begins in the gut. Even yung mga serotonin, yung neurotransmitter that will actually, nakasalalay dyan yung mga depression and anxiety if they're low. Actually, 80% is from the gut. You thought it's the brain. No. So if you don't feed your bacteria, good bacteria, right, with a good prebiotic, which is fiber, then you might be surprised. It actually contributes to overall health, gut health. So yeah. And sad to say, our diet, I don't think if you eat salad twice a day, then maybe you can target at 20 to 30 grams. So I love the deep talk. Pag tumae ka niyan, talagang, as in, parang cleanse na cleanse ka. As in, I even take it like twice a day. Tapos, here's the compensation plan. I let my husband come in. 1 second. Babes?
Hello. Ako si Edwin Bong, husband ni Joey. Alam naman ito, this is a direct selling. So compared to traditional, yung nasa shelf, maraming pagdadaanan. So from company, so it goes to distributor, wholesaler, retail shop, and you as a customer tayo. So in Riemann, so the distribution is from company to us as distributor, and then to the customer. So you can also do the retail for sa mga product kung meron kagaya ng may mga spa, kung meron kang kakilalang may mga ano pwede mong ilagay doon. May mga beauty shops or pwede mong ilagay yung produkto. So pwede ka rin mag-ano ng online. So that means ikaw yung gitna sa halip na wholesaler, distributor. So imbes na yung mga nakukuha sa mga wholesaler, distributor as a retail shop, doon na binibigay sa atin as a distributor. So ito na sinasabi pag, where is that? For a customer, kung halimbawa you will join just as customer, you have a 5% ito yung tinatawag na rebate. Okay? So, yung sa Pilipinas, mag-o-open pa siguro by April. So, kaya ito, ang ginagawa natin is parang nag-a-advance tayo, preparation for the opening sa Philippines. Pero kung gusto niyo na interesadong mag-sign up, you can sign up through Hong Kong website. Kasi ang Hong Kong is sila yung free market. So pwedeng mag-sign up doon para maka-head start. So ang pinaka based when you started, you become a planner. So planner may registration na $20. So planner, ibig sabihin, pwede ka na magbenta, you are distributor. So you will earn 10% for every anong cost ng product. So magbenta ka, bibili ka, meron kang 10%. So sa ditong level, walang maintenance, wala kang bibilhin every month. So it's up to you. So kung mag-planner ka habang buhay, so nobody cares. So that's how you're gonna, kung ganyan mo gagawin yung business mo. So as a planners. So the next level is manager. So manager, in order to unlock the manager, kailangan kang maka-purchase or sa organization mo from you and your first downline, kung merong gusto magiging kasosyo sa'yo, makaipon kayo ng 3,000 business points within 3 months. So that means to say 3,000 business points in a dollar, kasi 90% of a dollar eh. So worth 3,300 worth of product in order to become a manager. So manager has total of 25% commission. So yun yung sasabi ng personal first level. So yung 3,000 na yan, hindi naman magagaling sa iyo lahat, either sa iyo and sa first level mo. That means kung mayroong gusto mag-register as your downline, sinasabi niyan. So iipunin yan, magiging makabuo ka ng 3,000 business points, which is 3,300 worth of product, US dollar. So magiging manager ka na. May iba din, kagaya kami, bumili kami ng 3,000 worth of product, 3,000 worth of product, kasi nakita namin na mabenta yung product, kasi Korean Wave nga. So within 3 days nabenta namin lahat. So I mean, it's all good kasi importante naman is when in terms of direct selling, number 1 talaga kung maganda ang product, which is we are lucky enough na maganda itong product na ito, kasi it really work by itself. Kasi yun nga sinasabi is ang challenge lang natin is how to put the product in their face. Kasi usually kung malagay na yung product in their face, usually 80 to 9% magugustuhan talaga. Okay? So as a manager, so meron kang 25% commission. Lahat-lahat kasi meron kang 20% base commission, at saka meron kang 5% commission for kung meron kang 10 active customer within a month. So double the 3,000, kung makaabot ka ng 6,000 business points, kung pupunta ka na sa senior manager position, which is total is 30% plus 5%. Ito yung 5% is ito yung unlimited commission mo. Okay, so do you have any question? Okay, so manager and customer, ito na yung parang medyo interesado na kayo.
Di madungog.
Di madungog? Hello, marinig niyo ako? Hello? So itong manager and customer, ito na yung meron ng sinasabing in order to get your commission next month, halimbawa this month you have activity, in order to get your commission next month, you need to have like at least 3 active customer in a month. So dito na yung meron ng ito yung sinasabi ng person na walang maintain na bibili ka every month, pero parang ito na yung pinaka-maintenance sila. Okay? So, yan ang manager. The next level is wala pa pala, is team leader. So team leader is maka-reach ka ng as a group nyo, maka-reach kayo ng 50,000 business points. May 50,000 business points, and then kailangan ka ng 3 senior manager in each leg. So minimum is 3 leg, mangyayari 3 leg sa organization mo. And then 7 manager, kahit saan itong 7 managers. So ibig sabihin yan,
They can see the diagram. Can you
Hmm?
ask them?
Hmm?
They can see the diagram.
makikita mo yung diagram? Hello?
No, Bo, wala.
Ay, wala? Teka.
Wala. I can only, I don't know if they can see it, but I can see it from my end.
Okay. Ganyan. Parang naka-stop ah. I-stop ko. And then,
Andyan na yung kanina, nawala din.
okay, i-share ko ulit. Mag-share ko ulit. Yan, nakikita niya? Yan, Ate Doris, nakikita mo, Ate Doris?
Yes.
Okay. So, team leader, medyo malaki na. Ito yung team leader na ito na yung parang meron ka ng you're becoming a para bang real business with team leader ka. Ang markup mo is 45%. So, meron kang unlimited levels kahit sa baba. You have 40% base commission. So may additional ka, so you have 40% base commission, meron kang 5% additional kung meron kang 10 active customer every month. So merong 3 general leadership match, i-explain ko ito mamaya. Mamaya. So I-explain ko lang tong 3 senior manager and 7 manager. Kasi pag medyo makumpleto na tong 3 senior manager, 7 managers, parang mag-i-equate na yun na 50 business points eh. So ibig sabihin, hindi ikaw magpo-produce ng 50%, ang 50 business point, your group, so total group. Okay. Next is director. Director, ito na yung meron ka ng revenue share, meron kang 2% sa group mo. Medyo parang meron ka ng profit sharing sa company. So senior director, so medyo lalaki na yung yung group sharing mo. And then 7 points for the revenue share sa buong North America. Ito na yung pinakahuli is national director, which is Steve. Is a national director. Si Steve is his national director. So ito yung pinakataas na rank. Okay. So ito yung sinasabing yung leadership match. Sa first level mo, halimbawa team leader ka, tapos may mag-team leader din sa first level mo. So, meron kang 50% makukuha sa commission nila. So parang bang pag maging team leader ka, parang bang nagiging parang yung nagfra-franchise, bilhin mo kung nagpa-franchise, meron ng nagpa-franchise sa'yo pag team leader, meron kang 15% commission nila. So kung second level, meron kang 10%. Third level, meron kang 10%. So fourth level, kung director ka, meron kang 5%. And so on and so forth. Ito na yung mga, hindi ko alam kung wala pa kasing di pa nag-open ang Philippines, so hindi ko alam kung ganito rin ang magiging mga starter kit. So ito yung mga starter kit dito. So kung makikita nyo, ito na-explain na yata ito yung Riman Village sa North Korea. So, nandito na rin yung pinaka-laboratory nila dito sa Jeju Island, pinaka parang Hawaii sa South Korea. So meron din kaming mga orientation kung halimbawa magsasanap kayo. So every meron mga orientation too para well kayo.
Excuse
yung-
Bong.
Okay.
Bong.
Yep.
Question. No, not really a question. Is it possible na sorry ha, kasi hindi ako marunong talagang managalog. Is it possible for you to put in all the trainings, upcoming training in the chat? So doon sa chat natin sa sa Messenger.
Yeah.
So they are aware and they can join the training, because guys, it's really good for you to be
Yeah.
on the training, because that's where you learn. Okay.
Yeah. Pwede. Every day meron yung mga training. Merong Zoom training. So makikinig lang kayo. So andun lahat ng mga information. Okay. Yeah. So ito ano na to? Ito yung mga convention. Yan nga, to bring the movement in your community kasi Korean movement eh. So ito na yung mga articles about cosmetic na it's really in today na ito yung sinasabing Korean cosmetic overtake France stop ito mga article nito. So Korean yung nangunguna ngayon. Indian Review dito ito mga article. So hindi talaga ito talagang gawa-gawa lang. So it's really booming, you know. Ito napakita na siguro to yung yung mga before and after. Tapos na tayo. So so any other questions regarding either sa product or sa business side of Riman?
So you guys don't worry about starting this one, okay? Because we will be guiding you all throughout. Tapos you'll be equipped with the trainings, online training, so you don't have that you don't need to pay for the trainings. And then you have 24/7 access to me and Brenda and Bong or Joey.
Yeah. I think the first thing, if they're really interested there, is to sign up. Do you guys want to sign up? We can set another or we can do it now, or we can pick another time at your convenient time.
It's free. I think it's free for signing up now via Hong Kong until the end of the year, but why don't bakit
It's
naman
free.
tayo it's free, right?
$20, yeah.
Yeah. So we don't want to wait until the end of the year to start our business. So we need to start as early as we can, as soon as we
Yeah.
can, and you have the support.
Yeah, the advantage of sign up early, because you can invite people like all over the world. Like for those you have friends in US, you can sign up on your account. I mean, it means your business is already running, or Hawaii. And then now next year magbubukas ang Singapore people. So I think if you think about global, I think this is gonna be big. Especially na nagsisimula pa yung yung Riemann. So it's really, if you really think about, if you can really see the vision of it, yeah, it's gonna be big.
Okay, I think Brenda has a question, Bong.
Okay. Hindi ka
Brenda here.
okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Quick question. Are you talking about signing up as a planner is free for now, or that's only member?
That's, I think that's planner ate, di ba? I didn't see.
Yeah, planner. But if we talk, if you want to do the business, then you do the as a planner, because member is a planner, Brent.
Yeah.
So registered as a planner in the Philippines through Hong Kong is free, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Until
But you
the
can,
year.
yeah, you can use your number so that you're gonna be under who is your sponsor.
Because for us here, we are paying $20 for planner. Remember, in the Philippines, they are all free if they're gonna register until the end of the year, correct?
Is that true, ate?
Yes, but my thing is, if it's free now, we don't know when they gonna say nga pabayaran na, no? So if just like Canada, when I registered people from Canada, I told
Canada
them
is
it's
free.
free, and then they registered and karon with pay na. So
Yeah.
you
So
know, we
maybe,
just have to register early.
kung-
When they say it's free, then just grab it.
yeah,
And
because
Yeah, they announce it like it's until the end
December.
of the year. So
Okay.
hopefully they're true to that.
Yeah.
That's why we need to register now before end of the year.
Yeah, that's what I understand. That if you register from now on to the end of the year, you are free. It's a free registration.
Yeah.
End of the year. So
Yeah.
hopefully, if they will register from now on until the end, it's gonna be free, right? So they don't
Yeah.
have to pay
yes, Dai.
for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Basta before lang sa 20
Yeah.
24.
Just want to
We don't want to wait end of the year, because if they see a lot of influx registering, they
Mhm.
might change the rule, like that's what
Oh.
we're thinking now. But like we want to make sure na you can register now, total free naman. So
Mhm, yeah.
the
we have
ano
not,
talaga,
we have nothing to lose.
nothing
actually.
to lose. Kasi
Mhm.
you're gonna use the product anyway. Like, then you already go ahead and share with your friends as much as you can. Kasi pag nagbukas sa Pilipinas, pag doon ka pala mag-umpisa, you'll be too late.
Yeah, but the reason I'm asking, because it's one of part of marketing strategies that to have some people to be a member is to tell them that it's a free registration, nothing to pay for that. Then you can invite a lot of people to register. That's why I want to make sure that it's free, and that's one of my marketing strategy.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That's a-
And there's technique to it, my dear. You can get in touch with Bong one-to-one if you have people. There's technique to it. You cannot just like put them all over the place. So para may technique na kasi na ano na namin, proven na. Kasi the easiest way for you to to build your team is just concentrate on 3 first. Then there's actually a strategy. So if you wanna do like one-to-one, lalo na kung like if we're replacing people, Ate Doris also knows, so you can always reach out to us, text anytime, or si Ate Doris. If you're registering, then we can do a one-to-one, lalo na sa placement. Kasi you could learn it the hard way or the easy way. You know,
Yeah, because me myself alone, I never had any training and I never undergo any training. I just go to the website, read, and then also some to log in. So,
Mhm.
but I try
Yeah.
to understand how it works, how the business goes now. So, yeah.
Ang maganda lang dito, we have a WhatsApp, yung group ni Steve, yung Koreano na yung group natin.
Okay.
They have training every other day. So there's like a
Every
Zoom
day.
call you can tap in every day. You can actually like let them access, you know, yung register mo. You can go for their training, you know, introduce doon, and also they will have like product university and all that. So if you're on the WhatsApp, ati Doris will do that, i-add ka or si Bong. Then,
Mm-hmm.
or pag hindi ka naka-log in at that time kasi conflict yung time, there's always a recording that we can forward. Then, pwede mo i-forward yan kasi nandun na yung training eh. Nandun na yung compensation, paulit-ulit lang and all.
Oh, so they do it again and again, the same.
Again and again.
Mhm.
Tapos, if you have questions, Steve is very open. We are here anytime. Kasi nasubukan na namin. Kumbaga, we're humble to say na we're the 5th Filipino na director sa US. So
That's it.
it's just so new that ako lang yung, yeah, in 7 months. So we're here to help you kasi hindi rin namin inakala to. Like the product is really amazing na pag
Mm-hmm.
mo lang, that secret here is we just keep on sharing every day as much as we can. I was traveling to Chicago, I was traveling to, meron akong dalhin sa Texas, I was like all over the place. And you know how Filipino is. We have Filipinos all over the world. So
Mm-hmm.
you just see that insight. If you just see the foresight, tapos yung company na to, I meet the owners, yung nasa Jeju ako, they're so humble and very dynamic. 30 years na nilang pinag-aralan to. So, kumbaga, they're armored. Ka-collaborate pa nila ang Korean government. Imagine mo, that's the only company na ganun ka-stable, na they have their own village. Tingnan mo lang kung ibang skincare, kung may village sila for their people. Wala. So, like, they studied this for 30 years. So, that's why, kung kayo ang first 50 na team leader sa Pilipinas, you'll be, dadalhin kayo sa Korea dyan sa Riemann Village, you'll be like treated like 5-star accommodation for like 1 week. So, yan yung paano nila ngayon na pag nag-open yan. Kaya magandang nakaposition ka na kasi pag nag-ano na yung promotion, marami ka ng tao or marami ka ng natatouch at nasi-share.
Another quick question, Joy.
Oo.
If they register right now and one of their passport is expired already, the same passport number when they renew though, they're gonna give the same number.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
The same passport number naman.
Yeah, but is it okay to register with the expired passport right now? Because once they renew it, they will give them the same.
Basta kasi ang passport ID lang naman yata ang kailangan, di ba? Hindi naman yung
Hindi, they don't ask
expiry.
for
Hindi naman
So
ina-
it's still honored if it's expired, huh?
Yeah.
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 Pero mas maganda na rin if you position yourself na i-renew mo na kasi baka makapunta ka ng Korea.
Yeah, they're going to renew, but right now they knew about it that they need a
That's okay.
passport.
It's
Yeah.
okay. At least na-register lang. Kasi we wanna avail the free enrollment. Oo.
Okay.
Joy. Okay, let me just answer the questions with my two of my people here, Cynthia and Marjessa. Hi, Marge.
Hi, Marge.
For you, I think this is my thing. This is what I did when I started. Just use the product. So in order for you to start what you're doing with Riemann, have yourself registered first and then you order the product. Start using it. People will notice. Use it while you're talking to other people because they will notice the change. Alam ko maganda na tayo eh. We are beautiful. We are already beautiful in, you know, in all nasa mga babae, but then it will enhance because your skin will glow. I'm already 56, but I can proudly say I don't have any wrinkles in my face. And so I've been using this product for almost a year now. And I started to have a little bit in my forehead. Sorry, Han, I'm talking in English because hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-Tagalog and Cynthia is Tagalog. So I'm sorry. So I have to accommodate Cynthia. So anyway, So yeah, you have to you register first, and then I'll help you how to register. It's free for now. And then we can order the product through Hong Kong. You start using it, and then we will help you build your team. Okay? While it's still free registration, you can recruit people now, more people now when the registration is still free. Okay, so Marge and Cynthia, I will talk to you after the call, and whoever is interested to enroll, I'll talk to you after the call, or Bong can help you. But if you feel comfortable with me, then I'll reach out to you after the call.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just use the product, and also you can use the product, yung set na binili mo, to demo. Kasi ganun lang ginagawa namin. You have to do a K-pop, we call it K-pop event, meaning kasi medyo kamahalan pa. So you use the product, they will see it on you, and plus you have to apply it on them. You have to let them try para makita din nila. That's what we do it every day. We just do K-pop kahit 2 tao lang. I go there, okay, let me try this on you. Then pag nakita nila, okay, can I buy? Kaya nag-invest na kami to buy sets, kasi pag nagustuhan na nila, nandiyan na yung product, isang set, ano mo na lang, benta mo na. Kasi kung wala, matatagalan pa, like maano na, parang mapanis na yung excitement nila.
Saka yung sa Hong Kong, nag-aano sila ng yung starter kit sa Hong Kong.
Yeah, meron
That's a
silang
good-
starter kit na 5,000 lang. Just try. Yung para siyang ano lang, yung parang starter kit lang.
Maganda.
Is the starter kit like the traveler kit? The one that they have
They
$100?
have everything. Tapos,
But they have a new look now. The packaging is different than the traveler kit.
yes,
The
yeah.
first time that they released the traveler
Yeah,
kit.
and they have the starter kit, which is actually bigger. Parang it's good for 3 months. For those people na hindi talaga nila kayang yung like the whole ano, tapos they just wanna experience it. Pero really push for the higher, kasi nga matagal yung ano mo pag ganyan lang ang sale mo, like, kasi kung bibilin mo yan, konti lang din, mauubos na. Like, pero yung talagang, okay, i-try ko lang, okay, then yeah, you have that option.
Excuse me, Miss Joy. The packaging for the travel kit and the starter kit, the $100 is different now than the previous one, right? They don't have the bag. They don't give the bag.
Iba na, kasi parang binago nila yung packaging.
Because my
Tapos,
friend is asking for the bag because they like the one I had, the first release that they had. I did not know that they don't have that bag anymore. And then when they
yeah,
open
it's like white na ngayon. Tapos meron din silang experience kit, mas malaki yun.
when
So,
the box, they said, "Where's the bag? The one that you have?" We said, "Oh, I did not know that. That's
to
the new
tell
one."
you honestly, Riemann is gonna change next year ng packaging. And you know who they tap to like change the packaging? They don't settle for less. Alam mong tinap nila is the #1 in the world, Pentagram, in New York, to do our packaging. So they're doing yan ang gumawa ng packaging ng Nike, ng Tiffany, ng marami pa, 50 products na top US product. Yan ang gagawa ng ano natin. So it's not like a smorgasbord company, I tell you. Then we're gonna have, I don't know if you heard about Joe Malone, yung mga perfume.
Of course.
Oh my God, the owner already met with Joe Malone to create our Byungpul scent next year. So all natural, plant-based
Oh, I
scent.
love the lotion and the perfume of
Yeah.
Jumalo.
Yes, and we'll have all natural lipstick coming this year, early this year. So we're gonna go venture into that. Ito pa lang yung umpisa, mag-uumpisa pa lang ang Riemann. So
good.
I'm telling you, just if you can see that insight, kasi hindi rin namin to inakala. Then, and you know how Filipinos are all over the world, and we're gonna open in Europe. It's gonna be big. Nandito na tayo, nauna kayo sa Pilipinas. So if you just grab that opportunity, just focus. Lahat naman ng ano, you have to work on it Talaga namang ganun. Pero if you set it up early on, tapos you see that timing, you're all set. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, 2 ng nurses na director na nauna sa akin na nag-resign as a nurse. Ang lalaki ng sweldo ng mga yan. So, kasi they're doing this full time because they've been traveling like US, Philippines, ganyan. So, they have to like concentrate on it kasi magiging national senior director na rin sila. So, yeah, they were ahead of me for like a year.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sure, next in line. You're next in line, Joy.
Well, I cannot leave the VA though, and
Yeah, you're free benefit.
at saka nurse practitioner din ako dito, so I cannot just, I studied here for like 4 years, so hindi ko rin yan basta-basta ibitaw.
Sayang din.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Yun lang. So anytime we're here, like anytime you can text, you can message me, or mag-zoom tayo if you have potential na I could explain, talk to you, we'll just arrange. Ate Doris is there. She's one of my top, ano yan si Ate Doris. Like,
Yeah.
she became team leader in less than a month.
Mhm.
Yan, a very good leader. So we can always tap on us. At si Bong mas ano siya sa strategy ng paglagay ng tao. Then ako is more sa product. Then I can explain then all that. So we can always arrange for Zoom.
Mhm. So pag mag-K-pop, ano ka ba, party, how many guests?
It all
Microphone,
depends. It
no?
all depends, my dear. I had K-pop na it was the whole room. Pero mas mahirap kasi nga, pag ganun, hindi mo na sila makoncentrate sa mga testing.
Aha.
Pero ang ginagawa ko, I think the good size is siguro mga
50.
5. Kasi
Ay,
para
lang.
matutunan mo talaga silang, like if you got the product already, we'll go step by step on how to do it. Kasi
Mhm.
may step eh. At saka it's always the technique. Vicky Bell will always says, kahit maganda yung product mo, if you don't
If you
apply
don't know how to
right,
apply it, it doesn't
saka
work.
yung technique na ipupush mo talaga to kasi nanulay-pusomal to eh. And
Mm.
going up. So, ang dami kong natutunan dito kasi dati ko ano-ano lang binibili ko, pants, nasa ano lang, wala akong talagang, ano, I tried Obagi before, but it's so expensive. It's like $600 yung isang set. Those days. Tapos, very harsh naman yung Obagi kasi nga it's strong. Hindi siya
Mhm.
natural, hindi siya, uso na ngayon yung plant-based naturally. At saka uso na ngayon yung parang no makeup, ano,
Mhm.
hindi heavy. I don't use makeup. Yun lang, ang skincare lang talaga ito. Naglagay lang ako ng BB cream, which is amazing yung baby cream nila. It's like, yan na yung makeup mo. And Korean always use sunscreen. Ang ganda ng sunscreen natin. It has glutathione and it actually is day and night sila. Kahit as early as 13 years old. Kasi, ang dami mong ritual to do all this, then you don't protect it with the sunscreen kasi even the light bulb and the TV and the computer screen has UV rays. So if you don't protect it, you're just wasting your time like nagtiis ganda ka pa. Then you're not protecting it. So you always protect like day and night. So, and our sunscreen is so light. So, ang ginagawa ko lang sunscreen after my, ano, tapos yung BB cream pag daytime, tapos meron silang additional na parang luster. Igaganon mo lang, nakita mo sa mga Koreana, ginaganon nila. It gives you that natural glow na glass skin. Pero extra na yon if you want. Yun lang yung parang bestseller namin na to complete your day and night. Yung BB cream at saka luster cream. So, pag nandiyan na yan, i-guide kayo ni Ate Doris, then I can like show you yung ano, pati sa Ate Doris, alam na rin yan. Like mag-ano tayo, like K-pop. Kahit
Mhm.
na nandiyan yung mga tauhan mo, then we can help you guys. Okay?
Good.
Sige.
Thank you, Thank you, Joy.
Thank you. Anytime, reach out. Okay? Mga Bisaya lang mi oy.
Oh, okay. They're always asking me, Ate Bren, when can we have that Riemann product in your house? And I am always like, hold on, I'm still busy. Enrique said, you always reschedule them, and they're nurses. They don't
I
have.
know. I've been telling Brenda that we could do it. Kaya lang busy talaga sila. Kauban mi ni Ricky sa Singapore. We work in
Yeah.
Singapore for like 8 years. So,
Mhm.
naman na mi, barkada mi dito, especially my husband, because they're both in architect, yeah, si Ricky engineer. Pero like, then di rin na nagka-get in touch and all that. So, yeah.
Mhm. My friends are over here. They keep asking me to do a keep-up or to have a demo at home, but I'm just like, okay, next time. And then
You need to order the
until
product
now, it
now.
didn't happen.
And now you have to do it. Like, the only thing I did is like just do K-pop every day. Kung there's a couple two people, I'll go to them. I'll bring the product. Okay, let's apply this. Then they like it, they will order right away. Or if they see the business aspect of it, kasi one thing when you have a business, it's tax deductible. So it's a win-win situation. In the US, if you got somebody, that's how you get even with your tax. That's your money. You know, if you have a business, you can claim those that you use para sa demo mo as a loss. So, you know, like you just have to, like, that's your money. They have the right to that, and there's ways to get it legally na makakaget, ano ka sa, a lot of nurses join me because they want a tax rebate, like tax break. Kasi nga, you can claim your internet, mga travel ko, I can claim it kasi when I travel anyway, kahit na bakasyon, I side trip anyway to do a demo. So yung plane tickets ko, yung mga kain ko and all that, I could, as long as you have good documentation, that could be a tax rebate. So it's a win-win situation.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay, so anybody has more questions? Because I think I need to leave because I'm here, but that's why we're now about to eat.
Kasi they're
Okay.
doing the BGC now in Manila.
Yeah.
They're launching it.
So before we go, I would like to thank everyone na naadiri, no? Like Leia, Cynthia, Joe, and Marge from Davao. Thank you. And then this is a
Thank you.
recorded meeting, so we can always let them hear, the other people that were not here today. Okay. So salamat. Thank you so much. I'll reach out to you, Cynthia, Marge, and Brenda. If you need help, if you need help
Anytime.
with registering your people, let me know. We can do it together. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Leah and Jojo. Hope you
Thank
enjoy.
you. Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Register na sila daw. Register na
Sige.
Yeah.
Sige, thank you. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Joy
Thank you,
and
thank you.
Bong, Mamo, thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye, Joy. Thank you,
Bye.
Joy
Thank
and
you,
Bong.
Ted.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. You can just this. I don't know if I did it right. What is the right? Wait, ano kung magkana sa inyo kaya ang dapat lalo?
Asan na?
Asa man kay share ni Maggie? Pag dumali sa group ni Maggie, na-confirm na ba ito ugma ka Maggie? Tas Jis?
Ang mga istorya.
Saan siya po ang Maggie po din po. Diba? Ate Doris is good. Wait, my connection.
Your media current is not set.
Sige na, huwag ka na saan na mag-ipa. Niya dili ka sa benda kay busy.
Kala ko karong
Lahat ng good hindi man nagkwarta kay mag-iit ka ang motivation mo is. Pero it depends though. Like look at Jovi and Richie. Now they're
another one closes. Okay.
Depende yun. Hindi ba, manala sila na. Ako na.
Ano itong recording?
Paano na ba siya mag-share ni Ate Dore? Ay, ano?
Nagipangita pa asa to recording. Hindi ko
Oh, parang i-share na to ni
export. Export. Hindi export.
Sige na lang, ma-follow up na lang yung kuwan. I-share po na ko na may katuloy kang daday, kung di ba may message, then, duwang day ko na po yung pag-aakot na extra.
Yes, I see.
Kasi rin duwa ka man, siyante, mura pag may complaint, dali ko ng presentation, ito ko nisisig na. Ito na namin, yung larga. Mura yung complaint, paano ko kay camera, reinforce, ano, follow up. Mag-register na ito sila ron. Kaya ito ko Okay, siyempre, buta na siya kaayo, nagpalating, gusto na ilang. Mura na kuhan. Sabi, wala ang iyong bago. Ano mo tayo ako? Gano'n mo?
Okay,
Ha?
very good.
Gusto ka? Ako ba kayo ko? That's ba the word?
Okay,
Nami ko nung kaayo mo.
new food. Si Tadi,
Oh. Ano mo?
nananaw man sila kuan
Oo,
karon.
ako ba ito? Ako ba yung ticket? Matalas ba Edward? Di siya mamalit na. Bahay naman ka. Oh my God. Sorry. I have to do it's full moon tonight, so I have to do this. We do my family. Instead,
Di man si kuan, baki ganya.
asa?
Magdiha sa kilid.
Ha?
Magdiha sa kilid.
O diya si Brenda at Babes?
Di ba si Binta ba ito nagkastura ni mo?
Dito si Brenda. Uy, iya isuon.
Ah, pero di man si Binta.
Na ba si Brenda? Wa mo kita guess Brenda.
Da.
Ah, mo ba? Wala. Diyan na tulog. Okay ba? Behind it, Brenda, may bawag na.